it's Kate from Inkstampshare. I've got a really fun, quick card to show you how to make today. And it's really showing off this designer series paper from Share What You Love designer series paper stack. It's absolutely stunning paper, and I've actually made these as I've got a stack of these, and I've got a few more to make for my customer thank you cards this month, and they're going out with a little gift, a little handmade notebook that I did in the video previous to that. So this would be the little note card, the little notebook, little jotter that we've covered as a little customer gift, and there's the matching thank you card. I think they're really cute. So I'm going to show you how to make the card really easy. I've taken a piece of Whisper White cardstock. It's A4 and it's scored in half at 10.5 and cut in half at 14.8 centimetres. All the measurements will be on my blog at inkstampshare.ink, so do pop over to have a look. You don't need to write anything down. And I've cut a piece of the designer series paper too, and I've cut that just half centimetre smaller all the way around at 10 centimetres by 14.3 centimetres. Now these papers are absolutely gorgeous. I have shown you them before, but at the end of the video I'll go through them all again and you can see what you get with the stack. And just a tip here, if you take a piece of the paper and you want to make a card with it, here's another design. You can take, if you cut it in 10 centimetre strips, you're going to get 6 card fronts. You can make 6 cards out of just one sheet of paper. So 12 by 12 DSP goes a really long way for making cards. Okay, so I'm literally going to stick it to the front, and that's simple first layer with my Tombow glue that I do love. You see me using that all the time, but it really is good stuff. And it goes on forever. Oh, and you can move it around if you get it slightly wrong. It has a little bit of wriggle room in it just for a little tiny bit. Which is difficult when you're on camera to try and line everything up without getting your head in the shot. So it's great to have a bit of wriggle room. There we go. So there's the card. Put a good crest down so it sticks on. That's it. Okay, so then what I've done is I've taken 2 of the stitch shaped framelit dies. Love these. Love. What did I ever do before these came out? So these are 2 of the ovals, 2 of the middle size ovals. I think there's a smaller one and possibly a larger one. There's 4 altogether anyway. And I have cut the larger one out in mint macaron, and I have cut the smaller one out in Whisper White. And I'm going to stamp on the Whisper White layer. And I am going to stamp thank you, and I'm going to stamp it in mint macaron. Let's find the stamp I've already got. What have I done? Oh, thought I had it. Oh yeah, I do. Do you ever have anything right in front of you and can't find it? Can't see the wood for the trees. All right, just going to ink this up well. And near the top, I'm going to stamp the thank you. Like that. Brilliant. And then I'm going to use, let's pop the lid on that before I stick my hand in there. I'm going to use the Memento to stamp my flowers. Love this flower stamp. I've used it and used it and used it. So I just want it kind of there. Oh, just covered up my th. But that's okay. Just like that. Like so. I'm going to use my Rich Raspberry ink. And I'm going to use the blender pen, and I'm going to colour the flowers in just by picking up the ink from the ink pad. Now you'll find the very first bit has darker ink, and then as you keep going it gets lighter. So that's quite good if you've got flowers and you want shaded areas. Excuse me, I've got a frog. It's really quick and simple card. So these are going to go out for my June customer thank yous, because I think this flower is so beautiful. Just want to share it. Oh, what a noise my pen's making. I don't know if you can hear the squeak, sorry. So are you all loving the new catalogue? Oh my life, I love it. There are so many gorgeous, gorgeous goodies in there. So many nice things to choose from. This is a really versatile set though, this one. We also used it at Coffee and Cards this week, and I've done a blog post on that, so do have a look and see what we made. There we go. So just a very simple colouring in, and then you can just rub off on your scratch paper until it comes clean, and then you're ready to use it with a different colour, your blender pen. So even though the nib is stained, it's clean now. Perfect. So that's that done. Let's shut that up as well. I'm going to use the sticky foam pads to attach it to the mint macaron oval. Oh, I use lots of these. Love these. And I love the mini ones as well for little tiny intricate places. They're great. No cutting off of foam pads. Perfect. Not that we need those here. Right, okay. Let's pop that on. Just like that. Now, I had a bit of an experiment with the other ones. I wasn't sure what I was going to do. So we have got some twine from the Rooted in Nature suite. And I think that might be Blackberry Bliss, but it tones in, so I use that. And we've got some of the rich raspberry velvet ribbon on this one. And then on this one, which is what I've gone for with the rest, is the rich raspberry ribbon behind here. And I love it. So that was what I came to my conclusion. That was my favourite. So we're going to go with that now. It would help if I could find my reel of ribbon. There we are. Went the same way as the stamp. Okay, so just need to kind of work out how much you need to poke out. It's really sumptuous, this ribbon. It's gorgeous. I love the colour. Love it. Right, okay, that's that. Find my snips. Oh. Sorry. Why is it that I put things miles away when I know I'm going to need them? Right. Okay. Now I'm going to get a bit of my snail. And put a great big line of it down the back of my oval. I find snails really useful for attaching ribbon, because if you use like wet glue, obviously it just soaks it up. I can't remember what I did, but I had it. Let's just try it, because I can take it off again. Have it like that. Then I had this one come round as well, because what you don't want is the wrong bit showing. You don't want the other side of the velvet showing, you want the velvet showing. I hope it makes sense. It makes sense to me. There we are. So just trim it up. That'll do. And then I'm going to attach it to my card. Stick on. There we go. How easy is that? Okay, And now on the inside, I'm actually going to do a bit of stamping as well. So this lovely, gorgeous, gorgeous flower. I'm going to stamp it again. On the inside. Those dimensional backs get everywhere, don't they? How pretty is that? Love it. Love it, love it, love it. Right, okay, and here it is. Let's do some more colouring in, shall we? There we are. Such a simple way to colour things in. And doesn't take long. So I should be sitting and making a big batch of these. Always need a thank you card for someone though, don't you? There's some lovely sentiments in this set anyway. I shall show you again in a moment. There, pretty much done. Okay, let's just clean it off. I didn't need to clean it off really, did I? They're all done, all done, all done. Okay. So there's the card. And this is the stamp set we've used. Love what you do. This beautiful flower. There's a nice thank you that we've used on this one. And we've got all these other, it's a beautiful day, love what you do, I'm lucky to have a friend like you, and these other pretty flowers. And this actually, if you stamp it, will fill these in, these petals, if you wanted to, and that's a nice background. Yeah, I love that. And I will show you the papers, actually. Here we've seen the cards. So you get, it's a massive whopping pack of paper. You get 24 sheets. So I think 4 of each of the designs. And they're pearlescent, and they're stunning. So this is one of my favourites. I love that. And this one I've used a lot. That's the one I'm using in the card. As I say, you can get 6 out of 1 sheet. There's this one. There is that one. Oh, there's more of that. That's just a small piece I've cut up. That's gorgeous. Let's have to see what else we've got in here. Yeah. I'm kind of losing track of where I've been. Yeah, more of those. Yeah, there's just a lot of paper. That one, little one. Yeah, so 4 of each of those. I think I've shown you all 6 designs. Oh, there's another one at the back. This one. How good is that? That's the one that's on the back of that one. So the B side, if you like, could be your A side. They are really lovely. I like the words on this one. This one's quite useful. I've used this one with the animal outing stamp set. This one really goes well with a little rhino on it. More leaves. Lots of useful designs. So I just thought I'd show you the papers because they are so sumptuous. They're almost stock weight and you get a lot of them. And then I'll just tell you what the colours are in them. In them you have Basic Black, Blackberry Bliss, Crumb Cake, Grapefruit Grove, Mint Macaron, Mossy Meadow, Old Olive, Pear Pizzazz, Petal Pink, Rich Raspberry, So Saffron, Tranquil Tide and Whisper White. So lots, a lot. I love it. Anyway, I hope you really like the cards that I've made. These will be going out to my customers this month. So if you've placed an order with me, you'll get one of these at the end of the month with your little gift too. All the measurements and what I've done will be over on my blog at inkstampshare.ink with my shop too. Yeah, if you like the video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe, and don't forget to click the little bell button down below for future notifications of videos. Thanks for stopping by.